Okay, duck pond. Let's see all the babies. All the closer.
Fish.
40 feeder fish, goldfish. We're gonna put it in here and see if the ducks have a clue. Swim for your lives.
Some of them are stuck, but it's okay.
She'll get them. The boys are really interested.
They're like, holy shit. Chicken.
There's fish in my pond.
Even the chicken is like, huh, I can eat that.
She's always been a brave chicken.
Get out. Go on. Go.
Come around and chase them in.
Don't get in.
Oh, the babies. Bunnies.
Too much.
Come on. Get in. Come on, Puddles. You're the best swimmer. Come on, Puddles.
Chicken.
If they ever figure out what's in here, they may actually come in. Oh, there's Queenie. Come on. Come on, before they're too hard to catch. Come on. Come on. Get in here. Come on.
They don't know what fish is.
No, they don't. When they were babies, Cherokee used to put mealworm in the water, so they kind of know how to chase. The chicken's mad at you.
Well, she keeps like sitting there scratching shit onto my leg, you know?
Yeah, they...
Foot.
Bunch of goldfish in there. The ducks are clueless. I bet you they'd get in if you'd move away.
Well, they were in just a second ago. I think it's just kind of like, whoa, that's weird.
That's different.